right time to invest in the Indian stock market?
It's near its highs. It hasn't really dropped from its massive high. So I don't know. I don't know. The India market in 2014 had its major boost. They had like 40% rise in a year. Yeah. I think that period is gone for India. And now it's just not too far of its, historical highs. It's not tempting. I would say it's not tempting. But having said that, if you are going to invest in the long term, I would say pick good Indian, blue chip companies and invest in it, because I think India has a good future. Mm-hmm. And the characteristics of Indians themselves as a culture is very methodical, slow, safe, and rather than the Chinese, which are more ambitious and more volatile. It's very important to know the characters of the people of a certain country. So I would say in the long term, if you want to invest in India, is a good idea. But I would say for the short term, don't expect too much. But if you're going to invest for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, for your pension or whatever, pick good large blue chip companies, Indian companies, and invest in that.
You mentioned China there.
Yeah.
What about investing in China? What do you think?
I think China's market is off its highs by, huge amount. Again, I think it's not a bad time to invest in China, because I think the market has probably found its some kind of sensible level. Then again, I would say for the long term, medium to long term, more of a long term, China and India both will be winners. They are still here they're still going to develop and become powerful for the next 25 possibly years before we hit Dow Jones 42,000 when the whole world is going to crash. But I have another place in the world, which is actually, this comes from when the Soviet Union was breaking up. I was looking at different countries and thinking, which country will be most successful? Where should I invest in if I have, Mm-hmm. And I looked at the characters of the people and read about their characters rather than what they had as resources. And I said, Czech people seem to be the most hardworking, disciplined, and proud. And look what happened. Actually, Czech Republic has become one of the best republics in the entire, after the breakup of Soviet, because of the character of the people. Mm. And the same, I'd say, is now a small nation of Armenia. Armenia has the same kind of characteristic, very clever people. In fact, there was an article that they are going to produce more super intelligent children than China.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. There are a population of about 2.5 to 3 million. Most of the world chess champions are from Armenia. Very disciplined, hardworking, cultured, and organized people. So I'd say look into investing into Armenia.
Is that where you're from?
Yes.
So you're not biased at all.
But it's true what I'm saying. Do your research, and the government is very friendly towards foreign investors.